Hey everyone, Smida here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this intro animation using Bricks Builder and interaction, just using the native interaction in Bricks. Show you how to make it and walk you through it. It's amazing how Bricks can make these interactions and you can play around with it. So we go to hit the section here. You make sure it's 100 VH and make it relative. So we go and add a block on the section. Where is it? Let's add another one. Just didn't add it. Let's add a block in the section. Okay, here it is, the block. We select the block and we go to the make it absolute. All of top, right and bottom and left will be 0. And let's make the background like bluish here, and let's make it the index 999, so it's go up on all the hero section here. And we add the div side of the block. This div will be, let's center it, and this div will be a holder for the heading, the welcome heading in the intro. So we make the heading like 65 pixels and make it wide. So let's make it something like elevate your brand. We'll make two heading, like two section of headings here. Let me we'll get back later for the interaction. Let us just added our heading. So we add 3 headings for the first line and 3 headings for the second line. So let us just elevate your brand. Okay, brand. And we make the dev flex, so it's, and we get column gap, so we give it space, and we duplicate it for the second line and multiply your growth. Okay, so just leave here multiply. Reason why I'm separating the headings here, so it can control the animation for each heading or each word. So let's see it. Elevate your brand, multiply your growth. Great. Now we're going to add our interaction. We will select the trigger will be enter viewport, and we're going to add an animation. Let's make it slide. Let me make 3 seconds here. See, it's not the right animation. Let us it will be slide in, out, up, slide in, out, up. Okay, see here it goes for, but it stays when the animation ends. So we want right now to make the animation goes and the welcoming message or the intro animation disappears. So we will choose the animation end here in the trigger, and we will going to add the ID from the previous animation, so it ends here. So the ID from the previous interaction. So action will be hide element. And you see right now it disappears after the animation ends. Let's try it again. You see it disappears again. So right now we're going to animate the headings here. So we go to interaction and interview board, and will be start animation and fade in, and we'll make it like 3.5 seconds. Let me here again. Will you do this interaction to all the headings here? Fade in, but the delay is not right here. We want to make it like not 3 but 0.5 seconds, because it's the first thing that appear when the site is loading. Here will be 0.6. We will do the same here. Interview board and start animation and fade in. You can play with it as much as you like. Even the intro animation here, you can go creative here. Just showing you how to do it. Even the other sections, you can do it. It's amazing how you can just like doing or playing with interaction and making this stuff. And it's pretty simple here, as you can see. So this will be 0.8 or 0.9, and interview will be, action will be start animation, fade in, and will be 1 seconds here. Let's see. Okay, we have this one not taking the animation. Let's see what's the problem here. Oh, we didn't trigger the animation here, so we will choose fade in. Okay. See how it's done? It's pretty simple. It's give the site like a visual appealing, like modern site here. It's amazing how you can do all this stuff with these simple steps. So I hope you learned something new here. And as always, if you like the video, you can subscribe and like and comment down below if you have any question or anything here. So yeah, hope you learned something new, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.